BMW is a name many people combine with luxury, performance and innovation. But the story of BMW is not just about beautiful designs and powerful engines. No, BMW's history is also marked by a dark chapter with their involvement in both world wars, where the company produced aircraft engines, motorcycles and other military equipment for the German military, as well as used slave labor in the production facilities. In today's video, we are going to dive into the rich and complex history of BMW, from its origins as an aircraft engine manufacturer to its current status as one of the world's leading luxury car brands. Bayerische Motorwerken, or known as BMW, was founded in 1916 by Franz, Camillo and Max. Franz was a businessman. He was the main driving force behind the company's formation and served as the company's first CEO. Camillo was a financier and an industrialist who helped provide the necessary funding for the company's early years. He held a major stake in the company and served on the board of directors. Max was an engineer who played a key role in the development of BMW's first aircraft engines and later helped design the company's early cars. Together, these three men laid the foundation for what would become one of the best car brands in the world. BMW was originally founded as a manufacturer of aircraft engines, which it produced during war periods. The company produced a large fleet of aircraft engines, including the BMW 801, which was used by the Germans in the Messerschmitt Bf 109 and Focke-Wulf FW 190 fighters. BMW also produced motorcycles and engines for tanks and other military vehicles. In addition to producing equipment for the military, BMW was also used as a forced labor camp in the Second World War, where prisoners from concentration camps were used to work in the factories. This has been a source of controversy and criticism. After the Second World War, BMW's factories were heavily damaged, and the company was banned by the Allies from producing aircraft engines. This forced the company to expand into other areas of production, such as motorcycles and cars. The company's first post-war car was the BMW 501, which was released in 1951. Since then, BMW is a brand that is known for constantly pushing the boundaries of technology and design in the automotive industry. BMW has since developed a number of innovative technologies and design features throughout the years, which have become iconic with the BMW brand. One of the first milestones for BMW was in 1956 when they introduced the BMW 507. This car was a commercial failure but a cultural success. This car features a sleek and elegant design with a powerful V8 engine. This car helped BMW gain a reputation as a manufacturer of sports cars. Another important milestone in BMW's history was the introduction of the BMW New Class in 1962. This line of compact executive cars included models such as the BMW 1500 and the BMW 2002, which were known for the combination of performance and luxury. The New Class cars were very successful and helped establish BMW as a major player in the automotive industry. In the 1970s, BMW introduced the BMW 3 Series, which became one of the company's most successful and iconic models. The 3 Series was known for its balance of luxury and sportiness, and it helped establish BMW as a leader in the luxury car market. The 3 Series has undergone several redesigns throughout the years and remains a top seller in BMW's lineup to this day. 10 years later, one of the best cars BMW have ever produced, the M3, came to the market, which quickly gained a reputation for a sports car that could be daily driven, and it was a huge success. In the early 2000s, BMW introduced the BMW X5, which was an instant success. This was followed by the introduction of the X3 and the X7, which helped BMW become a leader in the luxury SUV market. BMW also acquired a piece of history around this time, when in 1998 they purchased Rolls Royce from the Volkswagen Group, who had neglected its acquisition of Rolls Royce. BMW took over production in 2003 at Rolls Royce's new headquarters in Goodwood, with the first car to leave the production plant being the Rolls Royce Phantom. BMW went on to create some of the best Rolls Royces ever created in my opinion, as they introduced the Ghost, Dawn, Cullinan and my favorite, the Wraith. BMW's acquisition of Rolls Royce was definitely a turning point for the luxury car brand. BMW provided the financial resources, expertise and vision needed to revive this brand and restore Rolls Royce to its former glory. BMW's investment in research and development, new manufacturing facilities, new design elements and global expansion helped to establish Rolls-Royce as a leader in the luxury car market and a global brand. In terms of technology, BMW has been at the forefront of innovation in the industry. The company offers a wide range of advanced safety features such as lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, as well as semi-autonomous driving features like lane keeping assist and active cruise control. Additionally, BMW has been investing heavily in hybrid and electric powertrains with a wide range of models available with these options. BMW, like Porsche, has invested heavily in the development of synthetic fuels or eFuels as a means of reducing emissions and its reliance on fossil fuels. E-fuels are a type of biofuel that can be produced from renewable raw materials such as biomass, waste, or CO2. The fuels have similar properties to fossil fuels and can be used in existing internal combustion engines. This means that you can drive your current planet killer without actually killing the planet. Personally, I'm extremely excited about this because the last thing I want gone is the amazing sound from those roaring V8s, V12s and all of the other IC engines. BMW began testing e-fuels in its vehicle back in 2020. In addition, the company has invested in development of e-fuels manufacturing facilities as well as collaborations with other companies in the sector. The future of BMW looks somewhat interesting. The company has been receiving a lot of backlash on the internet lately due to their unique designs of the newer cars, and personally, I must say I'm not a big fan of the new look either. I like the F90 M5 or the E30 look a lot more. However, taking this aside, the newer cars will feature cutting-edge technology, including advanced driver assistance system, and will be built on the company's new modular platform, which will allow for greater flexibility in the design and production of electric vehicles. BMW is also investing a lot of money in autonomous driving, trying to become the leader in the highly intelligent EVs. Overall, the future of BMW looks bright, with a number of exciting new models and plans for the company. While there are certainly challenges to be addressed, the company's focus on innovation, sustainability, and technology positions it well to continue into being a leader in the luxurious automotive industry. Let me know what you think about BMW and the past. If you want to know how the Pininfarina Battista became the world's fastest car, then you should click on the video on the screen right now. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.